Tutorial, we're going to be going over how to add array elements using a loop. Now, we're going to be learning this for a couple of reasons. First of all, whenever you're working in web design in JavaScript, it's a cool little technique that is definitely going to come in handy. And aside from that, it kind of takes the things that we learned already and combines them into a cool little mini program. So before I get into that, I'm going to be using something called the prompt, and I can't remember if I taught you guys prompt in this JavaScript series or the last JavaScript series, but if I already taught this to you guys and you already know what it means, I apologize, but I just want to, go over it anyway. So basically what a prompt is it's a lot similar to an alert box. The only difference is the user can enter text in a little text box, and with the text that they entered, say they entered their name Bucky or something, you can take that name and set it equal to a variable. So it pretty much is an easy way to allow the user to create their own variables. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Go ahead and make a variable. I'm going to name mine pi or whatever and set it equal to prompt. This is a built-in JavaScript function, so no need to create it yourself later on. And prompt takes two parameters. The first parameter is something like enter your name. The first parameter is gonna basically give them a little dialogue. Like if you had a prompt that you want them to enter in your name, you would be like enter your name. If you want a prompt, say pick a number, you would write pick a number. You'll see later on where this appears on the text box. And the second parameter is what appears in the text box by default. Now we don't want anything to appear in text box by default, so we're just going to leave this blank, but you need to put those empty double quotation marks. So now whatever they enter in this text box or the prompt box that pops up, it's going to be stored in the variable pi. So now what we can do is we can print out that variable, using how we already know document write. So document dot write, and we'll write like hello and then just write the name pi. So let's go ahead and save this and see what the heck I'm talking about. So here is my prompt box right here. Enter your name, Bucky Roberts. Okay, and now it says hello Bucky Roberts. Simple enough. So like I said, it's basically a prompt box that gives the user a dialogue such as enter your name, and by default, if you leave the second parameter empty, just double quotation marks, nothing's going to appear in here. But you can put something in there by default like enter text here. That's like one of the common techniques. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what a prompt box was.